Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the usage limit reached error in Claude Code on Windows. So let's get started. So this message can sometimes appear even when you barely used Claude Code. So in many cases, the issue is related to the context window setting being used by Claude Code rather than your actual usage. So you may see a message mentioning usage credits for a larger context window and suggesting that you switch to the standard context instead. So if you have already enabled usage credits and the error still appears, the next step is to check your Claude configuration settings. So in Windows, Claude stores its settings inside a hidden .claude folder located in the user profile directory. So open File Explorer and navigate to user folder. If you can't see the .claude folder, enable hidden items from the view menu. Once you have located the folder, open it and find the settings.json file. Open that file using Notepad, Visual Studio Code, or any text editor of your choice. Look through the configuration and check whether Claude Code is set to use an extended or larger context. If it is, change the setting back to the standard context option and save the file. After saving your changes, completely close Claude Code and launch it again. The application will reload the updated configuration and apply the new settings automatically. Now test Claude Code again and see if the usage limit error has disappeared. In many situations, switching back to the standard context window resolves the problem immediately and allows Claude Code to function normally. If the error still appears, verify that your account has available credits, that you are signed into the correct account, and that you're running the latest version of Claude Code.